With the PS5 Pro being released for over a month now, I thought I'd make a review video on it. It promises to redefine gaming with enhanced performance, stunning visuals, and cutting-edge features. But is it worth the hype? We'll put it to the test in this video. When it comes to design, the PS5 Pro maintains the same futuristic aesthetic of the original PS5, but with a sleeker, more compact form factor similar to the PS5 Slim. It features subtle accents and improved ventilation for better airflow, complementing its enhanced cooling system. The PS5 Pro can be set vertically and horizontally, but does not include a vertical stand, so you will have to spend an additional $30 for that. Looking at the PS5 Pro specs, this console takes gaming to the next level. It features a more powerful GPU, offering a 45% improvement in rendering speed over the standard PS5. The CPU is also enhanced for better multitasking and faster load times. The PS5 Pro also introduces PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution, an AI-powered upscaling technology that ensures high frame rates without sacrificing resolution. And with Wi-Fi 7 support, you're getting faster and more reliable online connectivity, which is important in a digital-only console. Performance is where the PS5 Pro truly shines. It's built for 4K gaming at higher frame rates, with some games even supporting 8K visuals. Enhanced ray tracing delivers lifelike lighting and reflections, making every game look stunning. Whether you're exploring open-world adventures or engaging in fast-paced shooters, the PS5 Pro ensures smooth, immersive gameplay with minimal lag or stutter. For those who prefer physical media, the PS5 Pro is an all-digital console with no disk drive. However, Sony offers an external optical drive for an additional $79. This disk drive is also compatible with the digital edition PS5 Slim. A common concern with powerful consoles is noise, and as far as I've noticed, the PS5 Pro fan is not any louder than the original PS5, even during intense gaming sessions. The PS5 Pro offers enhanced versions of existing PS5 titles. Games like Spider-Man 2 and Hogwarts Legacy benefit from higher frame rates, sharper textures, and improved lighting. In the graphics settings of Spider-Man 2, you will see an option called Graphics Mode, which allows you to switch between Fidelity Pro and Performance Pro. With Performance Pro enabled, you will be able to run at 60 FPS while maintaining the image quality of the standard Fidelity mode through the use of the new PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution. In this mode, all ray tracing features will also be enabled. Developers are also releasing patches to optimize older games for the Pro's hardware. So, if you already own a library of PS5 games, you'll notice a significant upgrade in their performance and visuals. Given that the PS5 Pro is digital only, storage is important. Thankfully, it comes with a 2TB SSD, doubling the capacity of the original PS5. And just like with the original PS5, you can also add an additional M.2 SSD if you need to increase storage capacity. If you're transferring games from another PS5, there are a few ways of doing this. One way is by swapping your M.2 SSD from one PS5 to another. You will now have the games in your PS5 Pro, however, you will be missing your game saves and the screen captures. If you want to transfer game saves or don't have an internal SSD installed, you can use the built-in data transfer. On your PS5 Pro, go to Settings, System, and Data Transfer. This method can take quite some time, but will transfer everything to your new PS5. As you can see, transferring 344 GB of user data and games combined is estimated to take over 6 hours. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The PS5 Pro costs $700, making it a premium option for gamers. This is significantly more expensive than the standard PS5 models, which might not be justified for many users despite the upgrades in performance, graphics, and storage. That is all for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to upgrade to the PS5 Pro or stick with your current console. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.